Hi everyone, my name is Bailey Hill and this is my project on This is Public Health. So my whole project, we're going to be talking about tooth decay, otherwise known as dental cavities or dental caries. So dental caries affects thousands of people. Actually, the CDC says that 2.3 billion people in 2016 suffered from dental caries. And cavities or dental caries is the most common chronic disease in children today, per the National Health Association. So, when we're looking at dental caries, it's affecting thousands of people worldwide. It is a public health issue. And also Healthy People 2030 and 2020 says so as well. So if we look at what is public health, what's the mission of public health? It is the fulfillment of society's interest in assuring the conditions in which people can be healthy. So you're really looking for how people can be healthy and relating this to dental caries. So throughout this whole course, we've talked about public health and why it is important in society. And I believe why public health is important in society is because it creates programs to prevent disease as a prevention. So it's educating people about health issues, not just on dental caries, but it could be about obesity and diabetes, for example. You're informing people of if they don't do this or if they choose this lifestyle, this could occur. So, in the aspect of dental caries, there are thousands of organizations that have really tried to help inform people of dental caries. There are several ways that people can prevent it at home that many people do not know of. Here's a couple pictures just for y'all's visual as to what they can look like. They can look pretty gross, if I do say so myself, but they also can be very light discoloration. But really with dental caries, it can be prevented. The American Dental Association recommends brushing at least 2 times a day. For at least 2 minutes. That's the first step in preventing caries. Also, going to your dentist regularly for at least a 6-month recare visit. However, going to a dentist is very important. There is actually 16% of America has never been to the dentist, and the Healthy People 2030 believe that is an issue. The Healthy People 2020 and 2030's goal is to reduce the proportion of adults and children with active dental treatment via caries. So the Healthy People 2020 and 2030's whole goal is to prevent caries and to reduce the proportion of dental treatment. So going to the dentist can affect that. So they're really trying to inform the public that you really need to go to the dentist for your 6-month visits. And there are several organizations throughout the U.S. that are really trying to push this on children because children are the ones who are affected most chronically via the CDC. So one organization is America's Tooth Fairy. They really try to favor young children. As you can see, they're in almost every state with different types of clinics, and their whole mission is that every child deserves a healthy smile. So their mission and their history is just they're working to ensure that all children can access dental care and learn about oral health from the beginning. And this organization, the Tooth Fairy organization, helps prevent dental caries because they have so many different types of programs for these children to have access to care in case their parents do possibly have Medicaid or if they've never been taught to go to the dentist. They also do have these organizations in certain schools. Certain schools have dental buses that travel around depending on what state you're in, but they have different types of programs. They also have extensive care for specialist services, which I highly acknowledge because lots of kids might need root canals or extractions, and a normal dentist cannot provide that for them. And so I believe that this organization has really good prevention and education and can tie in well with Healthy People 2020 and 2030 because Healthy People 2020 and 2030's whole goal is to reduce the proportion of cavities in children and adults. And so this is why I commend this program. If y'all have any questions, just shoot me an email and I'll be glad to answer them. I look forward to speaking with y'all. Bye.